Welcome to Simply Meditate. This 5-minute meditation for beginners is designed to help calm your mind, breathe, and be present. Welcome. Let's take a moment to pause and be here together. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let your body relax. Close your eyes if that feels okay. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Be here in this moment. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just breathe and be. If any thoughts come up, that's okay. Notice them and let them go. Return to your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And remember, if any thoughts come up, that's okay. Notice them and let them go. Return to your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You did something amazing for yourself today. Take a deep breath in and out. Carry this calm with you. Namaste.